Who else? The youth, the next generation. Okay. All right. So rather than giving power to one individual, so what is Spirit trying to state? Uh, what they're trying to suggest is that it has to be a council of the best, not some guy who was placed there because of popularity, because of orchestration. Okay, so the divine, the gods and the goddesses, the Most High is giving us confirmation, is giving us a blueprint. Okay, so yes, Prince Aiden, come here, come here. So the Filipino people, through their competencies, and not will choose a leader through their competencies and not through popular, or not because they are popular that the people would vote for it. Okay, so this is a very tricky kind of situation wherein we, and it's a huge undertaking, to be honest, because me receiving this message, I realize that we will totally have to shift. Okay, 1010 is the portal of endings and new beginnings. So it's a restart. So we will really have to shift our perspective on how we choose leaders. Okay? It cannot be a popularity contest. It should be a competency measure. Okay? So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Okay? For those who, most likely, if you're a politician or if you are in public service, hopefully, if you're viewing me, you understand where the divine is coming from. And okay, that's the reason why there are activists. Their activists are not bad. They are catalysts for change. Activists are not criminals. They are the ones who drive system upgrades. Okay. All right. So if you're a real activist and you care for your your people, then you have to understand these things. Not just going out there with the program, the same program that is instilled by the system, the old system that is ineffective, and you're carrying that, and then you're gonna try to bring that again back. It's just recycled garbage if you do that. Okay? Alright. So the Filipino people are poor because they choose to be poor. Now this is a hard pill to swallow. There's no pointing fingers anymore. Okay. Alright. Oh. Okay. Brightness activated. Okay, good. Alright. So, it is not one's fault why Filipinos remain poor in spite of education and abundance of opportunities. Okay, what does the divine mean by that? What they're saying is we were pre-programmed by the colonizers, by the colonialists. We were educated in a certain way that we will sabotage ourselves and think of ourselves as poor. Okay, so the mentality needs to really change. Okay, all right. So what needs to change? Okay, the people's mindset as well as the environment that we are accustomed to as a poor environment. So purposefully, the government here, the established government here, purposefully uh, keeps the environment poor and keeps the Filipino people educated in a poor mindset. So the more we patronize this system, this old system that we have, which is outdated, the more we are passing on this poor mentality to the next generation. So what do we need to do? We need to like pull ourselves back with regards to the current system and then try to devise ways for us to re-examine ourselves whether or not the Filipino mentality or the Filipino education that we are considering to be the hope of the people is really an effective way for us to progress as a nation. Okay? Okay, I'll just put it out there. Okay? All right. Oh, it's probably the longest channeling that I've ever had. Uh, and I tell you, I know the energies in this planet is really shifting into high gear because normally I would just get energies from the collective. Now I'm getting energies for the whole world and for an entire nation. Whew. Okay, I'm already past an hour. Okay, so I'll make it quick. Okay, so if money wasn't here's a good thing that I got from Spirit. If money wasn't an issue, will the Filipino people choose to rise or fall? Okay, that's one of my guides speaking. Okay, all right. Please remember, I do not take credit from. I'm just a messenger. I don't take credit from whatever that was channeled here. So I actually had to write it down so that I won't forget the channeling because sometimes it's really fast and it takes me a week to process the information. And because this body accepts information as well. So, if the information is contradictory to the current program that I'm in or the current vibration that I'm in, it has to integrate it in myself so that I can deliver this message. Otherwise, I'd be delivering a message wherein I don't believe the message itself. So I have to internalize the whole thing. That's why I needed to write it down. Once I've integrated that truth in my system, I'm able to deliver the message because it's easy to just babble about